Dear friends, today I will continue with another section from chapter 16 of the Indian Patent Act or the Patents Act 1970. And most probably we can say this is the last section from chapter 16 because the rest sections are repealed that I will also discuss in this lecture only. Okay, so section 94 is termination of compulsory license. Fine. Okay, subsection 1 says on an application made by the patentee or any other person deriving title or interest in the patent, a compulsory license granted under section 84 may be terminated by the controller if and when the circumstances that gave rise to the grant thereof no longer exist and such circumstances are unlikely to recur, provided that the holder of the compulsory license shall have the right to object to such termination. Okay, simple meaning is that please observe the underlined words and please read the subsection carefully. You can find out the answer. I will tell you, just a moment. We can say when a patentee etc. I have written to include the interested persons as well. Okay, so I can write, I have written, when a patentee etc. applies for termination of a compulsory license granted under section 84 to the controller, he or the controller may terminate the same. Okay, and the points will be: first one, the circumstance that gave rise to the grant of compulsory license no longer exists, and the second point or the base is the similar circumstances are unlikely to occur. So for these two grounds we can say that provided that the holder of compulsory license shall have the right to objection to the termination. Fine. The next subsection is subsection 2. While considering an application under section 94 subsection 1, the controller shall take into account that the interest of the person who had previously been granted the license is not unduly prejudiced. So the simple explanation is, while considering section 94 subsection 1, the controller shall keep an eye that the person previously granted with the license is not unduly prejudiced. Okay, that means justice should be for all. Okay, so friends, this way section 94 is also completed. Okay, so please go through this video, please go through the Barrett as well, and please write to me in case of any questions. Okay, next I will just read for you, because this section 95, the title is terms and conditions of compulsory licenses. This is repealed by the Patents Amendment Act 2002. Okay, similarly section 96, the title is licensing of related patents, repealed by the Patents Amendment Act 2002. Okay, next section is section 97, the title is special provision for compulsory licenses on notification by central government. This is also repealed by the Patents Amendment Act 2002. And the last one is section 98, the title is order for license to operate as a deed between parties concerned, and this is also repealed by the Patents Amendment Act 2002. So this way friends, all the sections from chapter 16 are completed. So please go through my video, please go through, I would request you to please go through all the sections, and if you have any queries, any questions, any suggestions, please write to me in the comment box. Thank you so much friends for listening to me, for encouraging me, and for watching my video. Stay safe, stay blessed.